Fleet management is the administrative approach to the purchase, organization, and coordination of work vehicles and equipment for a construction business. Implementing a solid fleet management system plays an integral role in reducing cost, improving efficiency, ensuring safety, and evaluating government regulation compliance. Your fleet will vary depending on the needs of your construction business and might encompass a range of vehicles and machinery, including commercial motor vehicles, mobile construction machinery, trucks, trailers, vans, and even sea vessels. But in this lesson, we're looking at vehicles and machinery used in the construction industry specifically, such as trucks, cranes, excavators, skid steers, dump trucks, compactors, mixers, and more. Purpose of fleet management. Not only is the right equipment essential for project completion, but it's important to ensure that this equipment's in working order. Fleet management covers a range of functions to oversee the sourcing, maintenance, tracking, and supervision of this equipment. Proper care and upkeep of this machinery will help minimize risk on the job. In most areas, government regulations are in place to improve safety measures, but regardless, it's wise to implement in-house safety measures and tracking systems to improve the overall performance of your fleet. These efforts are beneficial for multiple reasons. Ensure the vehicles and equipment are operating smoothly. Improving performance on the job. Minimize operation cost. Maintain compliance with government regulation to avoid fines. Oversee the activities of drivers and vehicles. Save money with fuel management and decreased accident risk. Decrease maintenance and insurance cost. Track vehicle location. Equipment truck acquisition. Fleet acquisition may seem simple, but there are costly consequences to rushing the process or, even worse, neglecting the details. For that reason, we recommend that you first ask yourself these questions. Number 1. Considering your general scope of work, what specific equipment is needed and why? Number 2. Where will you purchase the equipment? Will it be new or used? Number 3. When is the best time of your fiscal year to complete the transactions? Number 4. What maintenance plan do you have arranged for the fleet? Number 5. How will the fuel be handled? Number 6. What systems should be followed for inspection and tracking? Number 7. Have you considered all of the laws and regulations in your state? Number 8. How will drivers be supervised? Some of the larger construction businesses will most likely need to create an in-house team for fleet management, or you could outsource the task of fleet management to an outside firm. It really comes down to preference and budget, but regardless of which method you choose, it's essential to plan enough time for price negotiation, equipment improvements, and delivery. This ordering cycle requires a bit of lead time to avoid schedule delay on site. Equipment and truck financing. If you don't have cash in the bank to pay for the equipment outright, then you'll need to choose a finance company. Even if you have cash available, it might not make sense to tie up your funds in equipment. Instead, the equipment can be financed so you have cash on hand for other costs, including materials. For some construction business owners, fleet leasing is the most viable option, but fleet leasing can often cost more money in the long run since you don't have an asset that can be sold when you're finished with the project. To compare the cost of leasing versus buying, determine the length of time the equipment will be used for as well as the potential resale value. When it comes to financing, there are several financial services available that specialize in fleet acquisition. Talk to your current bank or credit union, or explore options for financing companies that cater to construction firms and fleet purchases. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.